Hello, this is Brennan Anderson, and I am recording this short walkthrough of a level that I created in Unity, and I will be describing some of the audio implementation features that I have in here. I want to say a quick thank you to Steve Horowitz and Scott Looney for inviting me to participate in this web project. Thank you, guys.
Up ahead are some platforms. Step on a platform and it will affect the music differently based on the shape and color of the platform. Now go ahead and experiment with what they all do. You'll notice that the colored square switches turn on and off different music tracks, while the round switches change the intensity level of the tracks playing. The black switch is a kill switch and will turn off all music.
So in this demo scene, I ended up actually, instead of using tools like Fabric or Fmod, I ended up designing my own system for implementing audio within Unity. For me, it was mostly a learning process, and the reason that I did it was so that I could more fully understand how the audio is being played in Unity and how it's being handled, and how once I did use a third-party software or middleware, how they might be using it. And so I wanted to understand that for myself.
I'd like to point out the use of iterative audio. You'll hear that the footstep sounds and the jumping sounds are not the same every time. Not only that, but the volume and the pitch of the sounds also change with each iteration. The audio system I've created for this demo also uses a ducking system, which lowers the music whenever there's dialogue playing, so you can clearly understand what's being said.
So let's look at some code real quick. This is the main script that really drives the audio system. A friend of mine and I created this, and this is basically creating a mixer in the game. We added functionality for creating groups of different tracks, being able to single out those tracks and find them and all that. And if we go over here, then we can kind of look at some examples of how this is working. So what you might have seen is that the main feature of this is a somewhat dynamic music system. In this level, it was based on if you stepped on a platform, it turns on and off a track. If you step on a different platform, it raises or lowers the intensity. That's basically it's switching the audio that's playing on that track. And so this is the way it works. So basically this is just for the strings, I have 3 intensity of strings, low, medium, and high. Once you step on a track, it turns all of those volumes of those 3 tracks, it figures out which one should be playing and it turns the volume to 1. They're all playing at the same time and looping in a sample accurate way that we scripted. And so it looks at the round buttons that you saw to see which intensity it should be playing at. And then it says, okay, medium, so I set medium intensity volume to 1, the other 2 to 0. I just want to say thank you once again to Steve Horowitz and Scott Looney, and thank you for everything that you guys have done, helping me learn game audio and programming, and it's really helped me a lot in my career so far. And thank you to you, the viewer, who has taken the time to watch this. I hope that you've learned something or been inspired to give game audio a try yourself.